Okay, this would be Witches Beach. Playa Bruja. It's where all the locals come to surf. Nice waves. Obrigado. Hey, hey. Just down the beach, it's beautiful. That's the Hotel Rue. It's a new 700-room hotel they built and finished last year. That would be the islands out there by my house. I live straight across from those islands. That'd be the bird sanctuary. Come on, somebody get up on the wave.